Today, we'll go through every single police chase the Squeeze team has been involved in. Make sure to leave a like on this video, gang. Let's get started with number 5. This is an iconic clip of Squeeze Benz drifting in downtown, driving the police crazy.
Oh, what the? Yo, I gotta sign this shit? This light right here. This right. Keep going straight, keep going straight. This right. Oh, nah. Yo, bro. Oh, nah. They're coming. Keep going straight, yup. Keep going straight down this, you're good. I'll tell you how to get on the highway. Keep going straight, keep going straight. Keep going straight, you're good. You're gonna make her, is it this right here? Yeah, this right here. It's rough right here, road's rough right here. This right. This right here. Highway right here.
That was pretty insane. All these cops, yet he still didn't give a fork. Not gonna lie, this next video had me sweating bullets, even though it's not an actual chase.
Uh-oh. All good. Thank you.
I'm not sure what he did earlier to get that cop to follow him, but the officer is definitely goated for letting him slide. In this clip, young and skilled driver license was preparing for a ride with Punchmade Dev when an undercover cop unexpectedly crashed the scene.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Already, nigga?
Whoa, fuck, bro. Damn it. Whoa, 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 come on, boys.
Oh, he's trying to. He went alright bad too. Oh, let them know where they are. They probably already know what's going on.
That's crazy. These niggas just try to do us like that.
Hold on, let me call him real quick.
Yeah, they're after us. Yo, I should go get my car. I'm gonna jump and get my car real quick.
Alright, brother.
No?
Hey, the cops came. I think just sit there and chill though. Yeah, they after us though.
Yeah, license, please go chill. License, please, bro. We gotta make sure we just get out of here clean. You're good. Just you gotta take it slow. Take it slow. You got it. You got it. Take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow here.
The cop clearly lacked the skills to keep up with his driving, but shortly after that chase, they saw a crazy guy on a moped doing wheelies while cutting up. I couldn't stop laughing.
Hey.
Then you get the fuck out the way.
Okay. Okay.
He's tough.
Anyways, let's move on to the next chase. Here we have Brick 50 pulling off some crazy maneuvers in the cover of the night. I don't know what it is, but there's always something special about police chases at night.
Bitch, I don't know. I think I just always late. You know, I think I put the kids in space. Like, you trying to reach you late. Like, shots getting fired just for my stage. I'm a demon, I shoot while I chase. And I shoot while I hang over the gate. This fella's too fucked in the shit, no trace. Food deep, yeah, dust in the age. They ain't outside, take a trip to the gate.
Like where they at? I told them you move tight. Turn to the front, I'ma flip to the back. That don't pass that. Like go being shot. You know if I'm on broad, touch that back.
Like, this one got every react. You like Gordy was what? You like Gordy was that? You ran a wall out to get back. Like, he gon' die for this app. Like I ain't walking his feet, let it clap. Like, there's no I gotta relax. Like, and they showed on my what? And they showed on my lap. I keep it sick while I'm looking for trip. Like, especially in snacks. Anywhere I go to be exact. I told Cody Dougie to his sack. You're not thinking that. You're not thinking that. You're not thinking that. They can't wait till they got some of what? Oh, let's get it on. Got blue beam glass and sexual mouth. Sexy, just get torn. No rush and something that's born. He got shot 9 ligament torn. Our first shoot, that's how it's born. He lacking, Susie snoring. Don't make it how when you shoot, get a boom. I'm a hot ball, see, called boom. So he look back on my mama, don't roll. That's a pro. You know it get real when the music like that is. Nah. Taking all up on the G, what I'm on the So watch you skip it too, cause I know they ain't no me. Them boys ain't nothing now. In the cut I'm rolling through, what you smoking dog? He a bitch ain't keep on, take the minutes,
The highway really was packed with police officers, but fortunately, he managed to get out quickly. The next chase was so short that most of y'all probably won't even notice it. The cop was like, nah. But anyway, let's see if y'all can spot the police car in this next video.
Nigga, that's a cop. Nigga, let me fuck around with this nigga.
Alright gang, so much for this video. Make sure to drop a sub and a like if you haven't yet.